Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077241. Because of this error, that is your device is missing important security updates. So if you're receiving this error, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to open Windows settings, go to Windows Update and then go to pause option. Here you can see pause. So hit pause over here. Once paused, click on resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted. And then make a right click on app readiness, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now find Windows Update, scroll down somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click and then click on restart. Now you can go back and then you can, if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to install the game. Still not working, run this command. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. In my case it is already done. Once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, copy the third command, paste it on the same window. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241 over here, and then click on search. Now check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case it's version 25H2. Then check your system type. So go to Windows settings, system, and then go to about option and check your system type. So for me it's 64-bit operating system. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5077241. Click on this update and then let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file and follow the on-screen instruction and then you can install this update manually and then restart your computer. After the system restart, you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. Now for this you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool, click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected, click on next. Select ISO file over here, click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here and let this close automatically. Then go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next and then click on accept over here. And here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then you can update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to fix. You should be able to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.